Dear student, welcome all. Myself Professor K. M. More, Assistant Professor Department of Chemistry, Navira Mahavidyalaya Kattur. We are discussing the new concept which is RS configuration. Introduction. First of all, going through the RS configuration, we must know that the classification of isomers. This classification is as follows. Isomer is categorized in two types, which are structural isomerism and stereoisomerism. The structural isomerism is again classified into the four types, which are carbon chain isomerism, position isomerism, functional group isomerism, tautomerism. The stereoisomerism again categorized into the two types, which are AZ isomerism and RS isomerism. We are discussing the RS isomerism, RS configuration. From previous slide, we get the brief information about the classification of isomer in which when we categorize these isomers into the RS configuration. An absolute configuration refers to the special arrangement of the atoms of the chiral molecular entity or group and the stereochemical description. For example, R or S referring to the rectus or sinister respectively. That means the RS nomenclature is the example of absolute configuration. The configuration can be changed by breaking and making of bonds. There is no any compound used like glyceraldehyde for comparison to determine the RS configuration. The rules for the RS configuration as follows. The first rule is that prioritize the 4 atom or group of atom attached to the chiral center based on atomic number of the atom that is bonded to directly to the chiral center. The higher is the atomic number, the higher is the priority. Number of 4 atoms or a group of atoms such that one has the highest priority and 4 has the lowest priority. See these the atomic numbers and atoms. Hydrogen has the 1, carbon has 6, chlorine has 17 and bromine has 35. The carbon is attached to the 4 different groups, therefore the carbon is called as chiral center. On priority we get these structures in which the bromine has the highest priority because it has the atomic number 35. Second is to chlorine because it has atomic number 17, and the third one is for CS3 which is atomic number has a 6, and hydrogen has the least priority because it has a lowest atomic number. The second rule is if 2 or more of the atoms that are bonded directly to the chiral center are the same, then prioritize this group based on the next set of atoms. Continue until the priority can be assigned. Priority is assigned at the first point of difference. Consider the given example in which the atomic number for respective atoms. Hydrogen has 1, carbon has 6, chlorine has 17. Chlorine has the highest atomic number, therefore the first priority goes toward the chlorine. But in between CS3 and CS2 CS3, the carbon is joined to the carbon in both the substituent. Therefore we are considering the groups which are attached to the carbon atoms. Therefore the CS2 has attached the one additional CS3 group, therefore it has a second priority and CS3 has a third priority, and fourth priority goes toward the hydrogen. If 2 atoms have a substituent of the same priority, higher priority is assigned to the atom with more of the substituent. Consider these examples in which first example the 2 chloro group present, therefore it has a higher priority than the second one in which the only one chlorine present. A larger group may not necessarily have a higher priority over another smaller group. Consider this example. CS2Cl has the higher priority than the CS2CS2, CS2CS3. In third rule, atoms participating in double triple bonds are considered to be bonded to an equivalent number of similar phantom atoms by single bond. Note that the phantom atoms are bonded to no other atoms. See this example CH-CS2 in which the 2 carbons which are upper side they are not attached to any atom, therefore they are phantoms. consider another example, C111CH. The carbon is attached to the 4 pentones. In next example, aldehyde, the carbon is attached to the oxygen and carbon pentones. In next example, CN, it is also attached to the different pentones. The rule number 4, orient the molecule in space so that the lowest priority group H4 is directed away from you. The 3 remaining groups then projected towards you. See this example in which the methyl group is away from you. We have to reorient this and we get the final structure in which hydrogen is away from you and bromine, chlorine and CH3 is towards you. Then we can assign the configuration. In rule number 5, if the 3 groups projected towards you are ordered from highest priority H1 to the lowest priority H3 in clockwise direction, then the configuration is R. If the 3 groups projected towards you are ordered from highest priority H1 to the lowest priority H3 counterclockwise direction, then the configuration is S. See this example, first example for S configuration, in which the hydrogen is away from you and bromine, chlorine and CH3 is towards you, but the direction of this priority group is from 1 to 3, which is counterclockwise, therefore the S configuration. And in second example, the priority is given and the direction of orientation is clockwise, that means from 1 to 3, this is the clockwise direction, therefore the configuration is R configuration. Thank you for watching this video. Stay at home, stay safe.